In this video, I'll be going for the Nike SB Dunk Low Laser Oranges, the Air Jordan 1 Mid Pinksicles, the Supreme Motion logo tees. I'll also talk about what I actually sold this week and how much money I made throughout all my eBay sales. So yeah, let's get into it. The time is 7:55 and on the Nike app, we have the Laser Orange Dunks releasing, as you should be able to see there. I'm hopefully going to get them. They're £80. I already got a pair of these from my local skate store, sold them, made like 100 profit. So another pair would be very good. Mine actually had a little defect on. I don't think that really matters, but it's there. I've never really tried to cop on the Nike app before live. Or not really live, but I've never really tried to cop on the Nike app before. So let's see how it goes. Probably going to take an L. I'm not really used to this kind of format. I don't actually know how to check out, but I've got my account, I've got everything set up, and let's see how we do. I don't really know how to approach this. I'm just going to kind of spam the coming soon button, essentially. We're going to see what we get. I'm going to go for a UK 10, because that was my size, and I don't really know how any of the others performed. Oh, nothing's happened yet. Probably should have gone for that. I've defo mucked that up. Did you see me? I was so slow, man. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to mean. I'm not too sure what's happened. I was just kind of waiting on the app. Let me get it up. So I'm just kind of assuming I didn't get them. It's just gone back to this. And if you click on this, it takes you through the whole payment process. But it just sends you back and says failed, failed. Looks like it's pretty glitched. I didn't get it. That's all I can tell. Unlucky. What a shame. Move on. This week is going to be full of L's, and I'm sorry for that. But this week's not actually looking too good. I'm hoping that I cop on Supreme. Offspring just dropped these. Now, these are total bricks. I mean, £60. They are currently out of stock. I managed to just grab a few. I'm running to my friends. I got two, even though I got 3 checkouts. Because I didn't want to go too crazy and I didn't want to get any cancelled. These things are going for like 100 on eBay. I'm like, whew, I've been freaking out. I've been trying to get all this set up. Let's go, boys. They're all on kind of stuck on submitting payment, which is annoying. Oh my god. Literally, you should have seen it. It was just like boom, boom, boom. Prism on Offspring cooks religiously. It's ridiculous. Okay, it looks like they've stopped restocking, whatever. I managed to get 2 pairs. So, although I got 3 webhooks, I didn't want to check out too many on the same PayPal, otherwise my orders will get cancelled. But yeah, 2 pairs, solid.
It looks like you lost another one.
So, it's a little bit later on in the day. The time is 10:54, and we have Supreme in 6 minutes. Now, Supreme's pretty weird at the moment. Apparently, 3DS Secure Authorization, where you kind of tap on your phone and press I authorize, isn't really working. I'm running Nova 2.0 for Supreme. Prism, the Supreme module, doesn't work. They're kind of focusing on 2.0 at the moment, so 1.0 isn't really loved. I'm not running any Proxies. I've got a friend running Solid for me, which will hopefully have some success. The motion tees are dropping, which is what I'm running for. They look really profitable if you get them in the right size. I'm primarily going for black. I've got a black motion logo hoodie. Yeah, let's see what happens. I've got Nova right here. I'm ready to start tasks when I need to. Keywords in, motion T. I don't even know if that's right, I'm going to be honest. I'm checking Discord over here. I'm ready. I've got my setup here. You can see I've got kind of my Supreme window there. I've got my capture harvesters ready. Start tasks. Okay, boys. Here we go. Error with payment, shit, yeah. Boys, oh god. Site's so laggy. My Nova is completely tripped out. As you can see, the site is just not loading at all. Okay, I just found out this solid flop, didn't get anything. Again, the site is just not loading. It looks like I just have infinite captchas. You guys can see it's just glitching out. This is actually just terrible, man. Yeah, out of stock, apparently. I mean, the site didn't even load for me manually. I mean, I know I was slow. I was kind of focusing on the bot, but... Well, there we go. Here's the site. All sold out. There you go. Class, boys. Absolutely class. I think my problem with Supreme was I just got flooded with captchas because I had way too many tasks going. But it also does look like Nova 2.0 did flop. All my payments had failed. So I'm really not too sure what happened with that. But it looked like it found them pretty quickly and submitted payment. But yeah, I don't know obviously if that's Supreme with the 3DS not working, my card or whatever. But it's pretty weird. So this week has been a very successful week for selling. I mean, the week started off great. I mean, the month already. It's July, and I've already sold 3 items every day this week. So I've sold my Supreme Motion logo hoodie. I also sold my Jordan 1 mid Chicago's. I'm really happy they're gone. I only made like £15 profit, but again, that's still money, and it's decent profit for a brick, I guess. It was really easy to get, so I got off ASOS for using some codes, got off like 74, flipped it. It's good money, I'm really happy with that. Last night, the duck camo sold. I sold these for like £20 profit, so can't really complain. Easy money, got these on Net-a-Porter. So I'll ship these out today, tomorrow, maybe Monday, who knows. But I'll get these out as soon as possible. I'm not sure if I've covered this, but I also sold 2 pairs of Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes. Now I did actually have a few issues because one of the pairs that I got from Offspring, I sent off to a guy in the Offspring box with receipt and all. He actually complained that they were fake. Obviously they weren't, there was a receipt in the box. I said, well, if he wants to return it, he can open an eBay return case. Because I don't really care, as long as he hasn't worn it, I'm okay with that. Because I can sell it again, it's an in-demand shoe and it's only going up in value, so I don't mind, and I know it's not fake, so. But I also reassured him of the authenticity and reminded him there was a receipt in the box. He just didn't respond to that, so. But yeah, these came in last episode, and I'm just going to show you what they look like and almost unbox them. As you can see, I have already unboxed them, but yeah, these are really, really nice. I don't know if you can see them, these are the Air Jordan 4 metallic reds. So as you probably saw in my last episode, these are massive. I got these in a UK 11.5, and the box is huge. The material on these is amazing. I mean, I've never really worn Jordan 4s before, but I'm a huge Jordan fan. I love all Jordans, and I actually didn't think these were too nice. I thought there was too much white on it, but actually in hand, I mean, the quality of this is amazing. And yeah, hopefully I can get some good money for this, because these are actually going up in value, EU exclusive. This week there has been some even better news apart from all that stuff selling. I managed to get a pair of shoes that I didn't think I was going to get. I've entered a few raffles for it, kind of behind the scenes, as I normally do with all pairs. But my local skate store dropped these. They got 3 pairs and they just randomly announced it on their Instagram. First come, first serve. Luckily, my sister and mum were actually near the store at the time, so I rang them. They were able to go and pick the pair up, and it is a Nike SB Dunk AYCD TERRA. Now my local skate stores know me fairly well. I've been queuing out there since like 4 AM in the morning before for certain releases. So they know me quite well, and I buy a lot of stuff from there. I'm really happy to get this shoe. They got my mom and sister for actually managing to buy this. Yeah, but the prices on this shoe are doing really well. I mean, well over 100 profit. These things are going to be harder to get. I think these are actually going to rise, but I don't know whether to sell now before most people have them in hand or after, because the price should dip, but I can't tell whether it's dipping right now. It's quite hard to tell. These shoes kind of released out of nowhere, so yeah. Very happy I got them though. These are really, really nice. So if you want to wrap things up overall together, this week alone, I actually made £267 profit. So that's not money spent, that's not how many sales I got, that is actual money kind of in game, that is profit, which is actually really, really good in a week. £267, that's including my Royal Toes, everything as I just mentioned earlier. I mean, I've also got new stock, but stock's been selling, I've been getting loads of feedback, and overall, it's been really, really successful. So I've got my 2 Jordan 1 Pinksicle mids coming in next week, and we'll open them next episode.